What is reality? Obviously, no one can say because it isn't words. It isn't material, that's just an idea. Reality is... cannot be explained in words. I'm not trying to put you down. It's an expression of you as you are.
Okay, so what you just seen was our biggest music festival, Halloween. This is what I'm making the poster for, and I'm going to take you guys along on this journey with me to make this music festival poster. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through the key steps and principles to help you design an eye-catching, informative festival poster. The first and most important step is research. Before you even start designing, it's crucial to gather as much information as possible about the music festival, its brand identity, and the target audience you'll be reaching. Things like the festival's theme, lineup of performers, location, and ticket details are all essential to know. Understanding the festival's branding, its logo, color palette, typography, and overall aesthetic will also be incredibly helpful as you develop your creative concept. Spend time exploring the festival's existing marketing materials and website to get a feel for the brand. With your research complete, it's time to start brainstorming ideas and sketching out initial layout concepts for your poster. What mood or vibe do you want to convey? How can you visually represent the festival's identity and lineup of performers? Start by playing with different compositional elements on the page. Experiment with placements for the title, band names, event details, and any accompanying imagery. Explore using both vertical and horizontal orientations to see what works best. Don't be afraid to create multiple sketches and thumbnails. This is a stage where you can freely iterate and refine your ideas before committing to a final design. One of the most important aspects of your poster is the typography. The title, band names, and event details need to be readable, eye-catching, and hierarchical. Choose fonts that complement the festival's branding and are easy to scan. Pay close attention to font pairings, sizing, and placement. The title should be the dominant typographic element, drawing the viewer's attention immediately. Then work to create a clear visual hierarchy for the supporting information. Imagery is also crucial for an effective festival poster. Select high-quality photos, illustrations, or graphics that capture the spirit and energy of the event. Integrate these visuals seamlessly into your layout, using them to draw the eye and reinforce your overall concept. Color plays a big role in setting the mood and grabbing attention. Use a palette that ties into the festival's branding, but also experiment to find a unique, eye-catching combination. Consider how different colors can evoke certain emotions or associations. Vibrant, warm tones might work well for an upbeat, youthful music festival, while cooler hues could suit a more mellow, indie-focused event. Remember that color isn't just about the main background and accents, it's also an important factor in your typography choices. Make sure your text stands out clearly against the poster's color scheme. Finally, add any finishing touches, like effects or textures, to really polish your poster design. These extra design elements can help bring your concept to life and make the overall visual more compelling. When you're satisfied with your work, it's time to prepare the file for print or digital distribution. Make sure to follow all specifications for size, resolution, and file format to ensure your poster looks its best, no matter where it's displayed. And there you have it, the key steps to designing an effective, eye-catching poster for your music festival. To recap, in this tutorial, we learned how to create a poster for a marketing advertisement to promote and inform of an upcoming music festival. We began by researching the festival's details and branding, then brainstormed ideas and sketched initial layout concepts. Next, we focused on eye-catching typography and imagery, selected a color palette that captured the festival's vibe, and applied finishing touches to polish the design. Finally, we prepared the file for print or digital distribution. By following these key steps, you can create an eye-catching poster, flyers, social media ads, anything really that helps get the word out and serves its intended goal. In this case, attracts new attendees and makes the music festival a huge success. Stay creative, have fun with the process, and don't be afraid to experiment. Your poster could be the thing that draws in new attendees and makes your event a huge success.